day 500,000, and they were still fucking with me. Yeah, you cowards, don't you see? You look at me, red eyes in the eyes, and I look back on my white horse as I sit here nicely with my red eyes when I see. I don't care what you see, what you see, what you see, what you see. I'm the only one who truly sees. Yeah, 1,000, 2,000 years, that's how long they've been making all up. Apocalypse this, all of that. They're just too scared to give it up. I don't care, I don't care. It's come to the time where I don't care, I don't care. It's all mine, I don't care. Be free, be happy, that's all I say. Be free, be happy, that's all I say. Be free, be happy, that's all I say. And I'll be there to protect you, that's that. And every day I see the truth that I see, and every day that I see is not everything that I wanna be, but then I gotta see, what? Every day that I gotta see the truth is all I gotta see, and then I gotta be medicated cause it's so depressing. What the fuck now, yo? So how many of us are gonna suffer when they be eating all the apples? I don't care what you said, I don't care what you thought, I don't care what you saw, I don't care what you thought. And every day that's what I say, every day, that's all I say. But then I look back and then I say, wow, if we really cared, then why would this be happening today? Why would this be happening today? Why would this be happening today? I don't know, let's see why. Because we live in a squid game. Oh, it's like an octopus, it's a squid. Oh, it's a game, what kind of game? Oh, you like games? It's not that game, it's a sick one. They be killing us all the population. They think it's gonna save them and us. I don't know why they think that's gonna happen when they kill us.